Some days it can feel like a lot of pressure, that's for sure.
Welcome back. I'm Steve Pringle. We're doing another ride along today to talk about the white-tailed deer in the town of Perinton.
All right, let's see what we can find here.
Deer mate November each year. That's when, you know, unfortunately our accidents go up. Deer are traveling, running all times of day and night. They give birth typically most often the month of May, but they can start as early as giving birth in April and then till late June. It all depends on you know, when they were bred the fall prior. They give birth to 1 to 3 fawns anywhere from April to June, and the fawns are left alone while the mom forages and gets the nutrients, and then she'll visit them usually at least every 12 hours or so, but we've had fawns go up 24 hours before the doe comes back. And there's some signs you look for, you know, when you should be concerned about the fawn being abandoned or mom not coming back. True signs of, you know, illness or it being abandoned, you're looking for a fawn that's crying or bleeding. That's typically a sign it's abandoned. That's the go-to telltale sign. If you're able to get close to it, if the top of its ears are curled, that's another sign. Keep the dogs away if you know you have a fawn in the yard. Keep them on a leash for a time, you know, period of time, couple days, even a week or two if you know the fawn is there. We do get a lot of calls about how to prevent deer from, you know, eating shrubs. There's sprays, they don't work too well. The best thing that we recommend that, you know, really doesn't bother too many people, it just kind of deters them from a certain area of your yard, is a motion activated sprinkler. Bird seed, make sure it's in a bird feeder. It's a no-spill feeder is important. Don't put any seed on the ground. You're not only inviting the deer, but all of the other critters.
Thanks again for watching. If you guys have any questions on deer fawns, predators, any questions, concern about a fawn in your yard, don't hesitate to give us a call. Check our website for additional information, and enjoy your summer. Thanks for watching.